is Ajay. Myself Sonia, I am your English teacher. In this class, I am going to teach you English grammar. Topic is here present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used for an activity or action going on at the time of speaking. For example, on this time, what are you doing? Yes, you are watching video. And what is your mother doing? I think she is cooking food. And what is your father doing? Yes, I think he is reading newspaper. It means it tells us what is happening now.
In this tense, we use is am/are with the ing form of verb to show what we are doing now. It means in present continuous tense, we use is are am plus ing form of the verb. It means in present continuous tense, we use is are am plus ing form of the verb. Is we will always use with singular subject, and are we will always use with plural subject, and am we will always use with I only. For example, one is Pia is playing the guitar. So as you know that Pia is a singular subject. So with singular subject we will use is, and after that here is a playing, means with play we have to add here ing. Pia is playing the guitar. Example 2, Pia and Ria are talking to each other. So as you can see here, Pia and Ria means subject is plural. So we will use here are, and with talk here we have to add ing. To each other means Pia and Ria are talking to each other. Example 3rd is I am reading an interesting book. Here, as I already told you that with I we will always use am, and here is a verb read. So we have to use here ing with the verb. So I am reading an interesting book. Example 4 is the sun is rising. As I already told you, with singular subject we will use is, and with verb we have to add here ing. Then the sun is rising. Example 5, the birds are flying in the sky. So the birds means it is a plural subject. Many birds are here. The birds. With birds we will use here are because it's a plural subject. And in fly we have to add here ing. Are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. Example 6, they are going to school. They also plural subject. So with they we will also use are. Then in go we have to add here ing, going to school. They are going to school. Here example 7, Malini is singing a song. Malini is a singular subject. Okay, as you know that Malini is a singular subject, and with singular subject we will use is. Then in verb is a sing here. Then in verb we have to add ing, singing a song. Malini is singing a song. Now example 8, we are playing in the park. We also plural subject. So with we will use are. And here is a verb play. With play we have to add here ing, playing in the park. We are playing in the park. Now example 9, I am eating an apple. So with I, as I already told you, we will always use only am. I am. Now here verb is eat. So we have to add here ing. I am eating an apple. Common example 10, the boy is sleeping on the bed. So here the boy is a singular subject. So with boy we will use here is. The boy is sleeping. Sleep is a verb and with sleep we have to add here ing. Sleeping on the bed. The boy is sleeping on the bed. Now here example 11. Jyoti and Ragini are dancing. Here are two girls, means here is a plural subject, Jyoti and Ragini. So with plural subject we will use are, and they are dancing, means Jyoti and Ragini are dancing. Here is a verb dance. So with dance we have to add here ing. Now come on, example number 12. He is laughing. Here he is a singular subject. With singular subject we will use is. Then verb is here laugh. With laugh we will use ing. Laughing. He is laughing. Come on, example 13. She is reading an interesting story. So she is a singular subject. So with she we will also use is. Then here is the verb read. So with read we will add here ing. Reading an interesting story. She is reading an interesting story. Here example number 14. Rahul is writing a letter. So Rahul is a singular subject. With Rahul we will use here is. And here write is a verb. So with write we will add here ing, writing a letter. Rahul is writing a letter. Here our last example, example number 15. They are walking in the park. They, as I already told you, they is a plural subject. So with they, what will we use? Yes, we will use are. They are, and here verb is walk. So with verb we have to use here ing, means walking in the park. They are walking in the park. Thanks for watching.